So I'm Liz Patterson and I'm the show manager for RHS Chatsworth Flower Show, and I'm here to give you a little sneaky peek behind the scenes and a little tour of what's happening at this year's Chatsworth Flower Show 2018. We're standing outside the Great Conservatory. It's been inspired by the Great Conservatory that once was at Chatsworth House. So Jonathan Mosley, who's the floral designer, he's designing this. And I just think it's just going to be so impactful. When people walk in, there'll be like chandeliers of orchids hanging down from the ceiling. So we're standing in the Devonshire floral marquee, and as you can see at the moment it's empty. This will suddenly become the floral marquee as people know and love. So we're standing on the plot of Chris Meyer's Haytime in the Dales garden. Obviously there's still more work to do, so it's a work in progress. He's got this beautiful cottage behind us and you can see the stonework and some lovely flowers coming out of it. So we're standing at the plot of Carl Harden's installation. Carl is doing this for Wedgwood, so the installation is called Wedgwood Emergence, and it's all about the different types of stone. We've also got this massive, beautiful piece of glass that rises up to 3 metres. This has taken inspiration from the original glass house, the Great Conservatory that was once here, and it stretches out for 12 metres. It's going to be absolutely stunning. I think Chatsworth is unique because of its setting. I think it's definitely its selling point. So as you drive in and you see the beautiful Chatsworth house and you're in this rolling capability landscape, you couldn't ask for a better place. Everyone who comes to this site with absolute joy, and everyone smiles every time we drive in. So yeah, come and see the show, it's going to be amazing. So we've just got over a week to go. There are still tickets available, so please come and buy your tickets. But there's still lots of inspiration to be had at our other RHS shows. So we've got Hampton Court and Tatton Park in July, which would be brimming full of beautiful ideas that you can take home.